Move, rotate, and scale are the most used functions in 3D modeling. Here on this toolbar, you can see these 4 functions. By pressing on this, you can see Move. This activates a gizmo for selected geometry. You can move your geometry in any direction using this gizmo. If you grab this white circle in the center, you can freely move your geometry. The next option is for rotate. You get a different gizmo for this. By holding any of these rings, you can rotate your geometry in any direction. Similarly, by holding the white ring, you can rotate your geometry in the current view. Then there is scale. You can scale your geometry in different axes using these 3 knobs. By holding the white circle, you can scale down and scale up your geometry in all directions. And finally, we have transform. This lets us move, rotate, and scale our geometry in one single gizmo. You can move it, rotate it, and scale it. So this is how you move, rotate, and scale your geometry. But we are going to be using these functions very often. So let's see how we can do the same with our keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to delete this cube first by pressing X. Okay, so I'm bringing in a new geometry. Let's take a cylinder this time. I'm turning off this gizmo by pressing my select box. Now we already know we can move our geometry using G. Similarly, we can rotate it by pressing R. And we can scale up or scale down it using S. We can also duplicate our geometry or make a copy of it using Shift D.